Welcome to CableFinder. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to quickly qualify, quote, and contract Comcast Fiber services. After typing in the U.S. postal address or business name in the search bar, your results will be generated detailing who the underlying carrier is, the distance to fiber, the minimum MRC estimate that is reverse engineered based on Comcast build calculations, an easy-to-understand serviceability description, and an anticipated time frame for installation. Click on the building icon next to the address to find nearby businesses for additional leads if you do need help funding those build costs. You can learn more about this feature in our serviceability training video. To price fiber services, click on the Configure Pricing button. If you are only looking for fiber services, stay on this page, or you can click on the Fiber and Voice tab to view advanced voice offerings. Select your term and click the button next to the products and services you would like to add to your shopping cart. The shopping cart will show you the most heavily discounted price, including any promotions currently offered in that region highlighted in green. If you need more aggressive pricing, click the Request Special Pricing button to submit a request to the back office team as to why this price is needed. Above the Request Special Pricing button on the pricing catalog is the Generate Quote button. Select this and type in your customer's name, as well as a specific quote name that you can easily reference from your search history. Keep the Request Site Survey box checked to proactively launch a site survey and expedite your survey results. Check the Send Quote via email box to type in your customer's email address and send the quote directly through the tool. Or click on OK to download the quote in PDF format, which you can manually send off to your customer for approval. Right next to the Generate Quote button on the pricing catalog is the Generate Contract button. This will bring us into a new window to complete your customer information that is needed to generate a contract. We'll start by filling in some general contact information for your customer, double check that the pre-populated address is correct, and type out the technical contacts information, or select the Same as Customer Info radio button to quickly bring down information we've completed from the general contact fields above. The next page requires billing information to be input, or again, use the radio buttons to populate the information filled out on the previous screen. If you've selected any voice offerings, you'll see the Advanced Voice Configuration tab to complete. On the directory listing, choose Publish to make the business listing available to publishers, or for an additional cost, choose Non-Published or Non-Listed. Complete the remaining fields for the directory listing number, display name, text header, and caller ID. If your customer would like to port numbers, select the radio button and fill in the required information below. Clicking on Next will bring us to a confirmation page where we have two options to download the contract. Click Sign with DocuSign to send the contract to your customer for an e-signature, or click Generate Contract to download the agreement in PDF format for a manual signature. Selecting either button will display the pop-up explaining that this does not supersede any of Comcast's rules of engagement. Choose I accept, and we've now generated a Comcast Fiber service order agreement on the same paperwork Comcast uses today in just a matter of minutes.